Hey everybody, Nikolas here from Penguin Magic to give you a closer look at InstruMental by David Jonathan and Nikolas Mavresis. So what is it? At its core, InstruMental is a special deck of cards that will give you the ability to predict any song your spectator thinks of using a borrowed or your own phone. Let's take a closer look at the actual deck of cards that you'll receive. Let's start by taking a look at the deck. It's disguised as a karaoke deck of cards, and they're actually sized the same as the old iTunes cards, if you remember those. This karaoke deck contains hit songs from all genres, artists, decades, really something for everybody. All the cards in the deck are different, all the same on the back as well. These cards also contain a special hidden feature that will allow you to control the music on any phone, along with 3 other secret design features that allow for an incredible array of mind-reading music effects. So here's an example. You can borrow a phone or use your own to make a prediction of the song that you think your spectator is going to think of. So you open up Spotify, select a song, and play it. Now you're going to play the song with the volume all the way down. So the song right now that I think you're going to think of is playing, but you can't hear it because the volume's all the way down. Then you never have to touch the phone again, ever. Your spectator can then choose any card they want from the spread. Let's just assume it's this one right here. So they would remember that card. They also hold on to the card the entire time. You never have to touch it, and they never say what card they've selected out loud. But they think of the card in their mind over and over again, and when you're ready, all they have to do is push the volume button up on the phone. And it's the exact song that was chosen. Let me drop the volume down. But not only is the song coming through the speakers, you can also turn the phone over. They can do this, and you will see that it is the exact song that you chose that's also playing through the speaker. So it's confirmation on the screen that you knew exactly which song they would choose. And this is done without any magic apps. There's no RFID or NFC or shortcuts or any sort of magic technology. The secret hides within the cards in plain sight. Let's talk about what else is possible with the InstruMental deck. As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 special design features built into this deck, allowing an arsenal of mind-reading music effects. The first being the ability to know any card chosen from this spread with a simple glance down at the card box. The backs of these cards are not marked. However, you will have the ability to know what card anybody chooses at all times. There's an incredible trick on this project that allows the spectator to create a playlist of their top 10 songs. They're then able to just think of any one of them. Just think. And because of one of the special designs built into this deck, a design I have never seen before, you will be able to know the exact song they are just thinking of. There's also 2 versions of Out of This World, where your participant will be able to sort the deck by their favorite songs and least favorite songs using one of the special designs built into the cards. This same special design will also allow you to perform any divided deck principle trick that you might already know. For iOS, you'll also find options that allow the reveal to be a music video of the song. It also supports Apple Watch and gives you the ability to change your phone's wallpaper to the artist that was chosen. It also comes with a double backer, duplicate card, and a double facer. Lastly, you'll get access to the Facebook group where Nikolas and David have been posting new ideas along with contributions from the members. This is an extremely fun trick, and it's got a method that you are going to love. It's surefire, and it really does give the impression that you were able to guess what song somebody was just thinking of. You really are going to love it. This is InstruMental by David Jonathan and Nikolas Mavresis.